I have been seduced by this dish of crispy beef rice noodles. It is a beautiful dish with shapes, colors, textures and flavors. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Boil the beef over low heat in water with 1 teaspoon of salt for 1 hour and a half. Put a lid. For the fresh rice noodles, I invite you to watch my video showing how to prepare them. If you buy them, detach them and steam them for 5 minutes. Mince the shallots. Cut the cilantro into chunks. Mince the spring onion. You can watch my video that explains how to make the spring roll dipping sauce. The beef is cooked. Shred it with a fork. Blanch the bean sprouts. Put them in boiling water. Immediately drain them. Rinse them under cold water to keep them crunchy. In a frying pan, put 8 centiliters of oil. Heat it over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Stir from time to time. When they start to brown, reduce to low heat and regularly stir. After about 6 minutes, the shallots are golden like this. Remove them without delay. Leave the oil in the pan. Add the beef to brown it. Put on high heat. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Regularly stir for 5 minutes. Cut the fire. Continue to stir for another 30 seconds. In a mixing bowl, put the rice noodles, the bean sprouts, the spring roll dipping sauce. Mix all. Add the crispy beef, the fried shallots, finally put the cilantro and the spring onion. Briefly mix. The crispy beef rice noodles are ready. Bon appétit! It is delicious. The rice noodles are soft. The flavors are rich and mixed together. The crispy beef, the shallots, the herbs. The spring roll dipping sauce brings a sweet and sour final touch. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.